that will reduce losses that are occasioned by pests and diseases. We are looking at technologies that will enhance production even in difficult weather, particularly when there is a drought and flooding like we have just experienced. So we are seeing technologies that will enhance productivity in the agriculture sector. We held the conference when the government had just lifted the ban on the 10-year ban on the importation and use of genetically modified foods. Now, we were all set to get into business and conduct business in this particular field. But again, within their rights, a number of individuals and institutions went to court and petitioned the court to stop, to petition against the lifting of the ban. We have dealt with one of those petitions that was filed in the Land and Environment Court, and the court found that we have a robust biosafety regulatory framework that is capable of assuring safety in the application of modern biotechnology. The hybrid BT cotton seeds were made available through GNAS. You know, you don't stock seeds where there are no people growing cotton. So they used that system, and possibly people would visit the agrovets in different parts of the country and you don't find seed, and they say seed is not there. The one that was delayed was the one that was procured by government, and I think because of the bureaucracy in government procurement, then the seed arrived late. But even arriving late, more expensive, the quality assurance and the production assurance balances out and makes it even more beneficial than cultivating using the traditional seeds.